QV6 is a steam generator ideal for domestic and semi-professional use, with a robust stainless steel body. The boiler has a capacity of 1.5 liters, which develops 4.5 bar of power thanks to the heating element of 2200 watt. The boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same, while the click-and-go system allows to start working within a few minutes from the ignition of the machine. Our exclusive FlowMaster technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. QV6 is the ideal model for those operators looking for a reliable, compact and robust steam generator. Thanks to its body in stainless steel, in fact, QV6 ensures the solidity necessary for the most demanding cleaning needs. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.